Welcome to Vestal UPVC Profiles, the pioneers in UPVC profiles. Vestal UPVC Profiles was launched in the year 2007. Vestal was the first to launch lead-free UPVC profiles to protect the health of our customers and workers in 2015. We welcome you to take a look at the fabricating methods of our UPVC windows. This video demonstrates the steps involved in fabricating a typical UPVC window. In fabricating a UPVC window, various profiles are used in the process. Profile cutting. Once the actual UPVC window measurements are taken, we then calculate the required length for each profile that is required for fabrication. An operator then sets these measurements in the cutting machine and loads the UPVC profile. The machine has two running blades designed to cut the profile in the desired length and angle. The machine does this process perfectly within a minute. V-notching. Once the main frame profiles are cut to the required length, the operator inserts a V-shaped notch where required to the frame. This V-shaped notch enables the addition of a mullion to the main frame. The operator then sets the frame profile on the machine and the machine does the notching on it. Lock hole processing. The lock holes are inserted in the center of the sash profile to ensure that the locking hardware is seated perfectly when operating the handle to lock the window. Water drain holes. Water drainage holes are drilled on the bottom of the main frame using the drainage hole cutting machine. This helps to drain water during rainy days or when we clean the window with water. Welding the profiles. Once the profiles are cut, drilled for lock holes and the reinforcements have been inserted, the profiles are then assembled together in an automatic welding machine to complete the frame. The operator first assembles and loads the cut profiles parts of the frames on the machine. The welding machine has heating filaments which heat the edges of the profiles and joins the heated edges to make it into a frame. Once welded and joined, we then have a complete window frame. Corner cleaning. Once the profiles are welded, we need to clean the scraps created on the welded cornerstone, giving them a perfect finish. We use an automated CNC programmable cleaning machine to clean out the scraps from the surface. The operator sets a program to remove unwanted scrap plastics in the corners. This automatic machine has an inbuilt camera and a display system to view and program the machine. Once the window frame has been placed in the machine and the operator runs the required program, the moving blades of the machine crimp down the unwanted plastic scraps from the window system to create a neat and clean corner. Glaze bead cutting. Glass is fixed on the completed sash with the help of glaze bead profiles. Beadings are different to various profiles and depend on the thickness of the glass. The operator then measures and sets the required sizes onto the machine for cutting. He then cuts the beading required for the sash of the window. Fixing UPVC windows. Once the window frame and sash are welded, glazing beads cut and the required hardware installed, gaskets are then fixed on the sash and frame. The moving sash frame is then fixed on the main frame with the necessary hardware. Finally, the glass is fixed to the sash with glazed beading. Finished window. The finished window is now ready to be installed at your site. Thank you for watching and contact us. 65 ground floor Adinath Trade Complex, Adinath Nagar, 200 feet Ring Road, Madhavaram, Chennai, Tamil Nadu 600060. Mobile 85906 05211 73587 51451.